Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a super useful Telegram feature, how to pin a message in any chat. Whether you're trying to highlight an important announcement, save a note for quick access, or simply keep something visible for everyone in the group, this simple trick will make your Telegram experience much easier. Let's jump right in. First, open the chat where you want to pin a message. This could be a group chat, a channel, or even a private conversation. Once you're in, scroll through the messages and find the one you want to pin. It might be a piece of information you need to refer back to, a reminder, or even a message you just don't want to lose. Next, all you need to do is tap once on that message. A small menu will appear with a few different options. From that menu, look for the one that says Pin. Tap on it. Now you'll see a small checkbox that says Also Pin For. This is an important step. If you're in a group or channel, and you want everyone else to see the pinned message too, make sure that box is selected. If you only want to pin it for yourself, simply leave it unchecked. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and confirm. Telegram will instantly move that message to the top of your chat, making it easy to find. You'll notice that pinned messages stay visible above the conversation, and you can even swipe or tap them to jump straight back to the original spot in the chat. If you want to unpin it later, just tap the pinned message again and select Unpin. It's that simple, and that's all it takes to pin a message in Telegram. With just a few taps, you can keep your most important messages right where you need them. Thanks for watching.